The Kenny Simpson blog. Hi guys, Kenny Simpson coming at you from Penge. Right, my first video on this channel. I'm going to do a lot of vlogging for you guys because I think you need the truth out there. So, like what I'm into, my hobbies are, well, I like looking at UFOs, and yeah, I have seen them. Yeah, I also like collect stamps and that, because you know they're just beautiful things, man. They're just such amazing craft that's going on there. You just don't know. Some of it, it's like a painting. It's amazing. What else do I like? I spend most of my days browsing the internet on various chat sites. But anyway, enough for that stuff, okay? This is just an introduction about me, alright? This is Kenny Simpson coming at you. Peace out.